we have now. I'm going to stop there because it's a long clip, but it's interesting. He is showing Michael Wolff photographs of the president, of Donald Trump, with underage girls, or at least with young women, with all sorts of stains in places you wouldn't want to be seen publicly in. I think it was the Hawaiian Tropic girls were involved in that as well. These are the kind of photographs that he also bragged about having to Langdon Thomas when he was at the New York Times journalist in his emails. These clearly exist or existed. Will they be detrimental to the president? Probably not, but depending on the age of the people involved. But this is an unusual situation where you got the president of the United States having these compromising photographs with someone who is an operative for foreign intelligence agencies and the mob and doing all sorts of unscrupulous things. For Michael Wolff to just laugh it off as this is just jocular is kind of interesting.